Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another episode on That Car Guy Tim. Today we're in rainy Red Deer. Of course, the one day that we come down and it rains. Oh well, hey, we got a bunch of hardy Canadians out here. Everybody's from Alberta, Manitoba, Saskatchewan. We've even got some Americans down here too. Everybody's out here just enjoying the weather for what it is, enjoying car culture. Let's go take a look. Mike, and Mike, this is a gorgeous Sunbeam.
Yes, thank you. What do you want to know?
I want to know everything. This is beautiful. It's an Alpine and V6. Were V6s common in Alpines?
They weren't available. The Alpine came with a 4-cylinder, or over in Europe you could get the GT with a V8, or the Sunbeam Tiger over here with the V8.
So you've done quite a bit of work to this car.
Yeah. The body was good on it when we got it. We had to put a top on it, new interior, new wiring, new everything, so we decided to go with the custom engine and transmission. Got the engine out of this one's actually out of a Pinto, but it would be same as a Mustang or a Capri, and it has a T5 5-speed transmission. So
going down the road, this thing must go pretty good.
Oh yeah, it hauls ass.
Right on. Yeah. So you did all the work yourself?
A lot of it. My friend Greg from up in Edmonton, he's a mechanic. He did a lot of the mechanical work on this, and then we installed it, and I did the wiring and upholstery work and everything like that. So,
how long did the project take?
2 years. Yeah, we drove it for 2 years with the old 4-cylinder, and then when that died, we took 2 years and decided it was only going to be 2 years to get it done, and we wanted to be ready for this summer.
Right on. Well, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Mrs. loves it.
Oh yeah, it's hers too. She paid half of it, so.
Right on.
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for coming out. Really appreciate it.
You bet.
And gorgeous, gorgeous car.
Thank you.
Just take a look at this Chevy C10. This one's a 67, beautifully redone right here in Red Deer. The box is beautiful, the wood in there is pristine. This whole truck just screams beautiful. We've got ourselves a beautiful, beautiful truck. Brian, how's it going?
Great, you?
Doing pretty good, doing pretty good. Nice and sheltered out of the rain.
It's perfect.
Absolutely. So tell me about the truck.
It's a 54 Chev 3100. It was built in 1995 in Spokane, Washington. Cruised down there for a few years. Went through Barrett-Jackson in 2007, where my buddy bought it from Drayton Valley. Sat in his collection for 7 years, and then I bought it 5 years ago, and we drive it quite a bit. We put about 4,000 miles a year on it. This winter we replaced the motor, transmission, added power steering and Hydro Boost brakes to make it a little safer on the road, and yeah, it's a fun truck to drive around in.
Absolutely, I bet. And the paint job, this is gorgeous. There's even some beautiful pinstriping and everything.
It's had some touch-ups. First choice collision is painted that fender, touched up the running boards and a few other pieces, took all the rock chips out of the hood without touching the scallops, so they did a really good job with it. And so we've touched it up, but other than that, the truck is pretty original from 1995.
Right on. And off camera we were talking about a deal you had to make with the wife.
Well, I kind of went a little over budget on the motor transmission. It just kind of got out of control, and I knew I was in trouble when she quit asking how much it was costing. But she got a brand new bathroom and a fireplace, so I guess it's a fair trade.
Happy wife, happy life.
Absolutely. And she cruises a lot with me in it too, and it's not really her thing, but she enjoys traveling around in it.
Right on. Well, beautiful truck.